Hey everyone, so I thought I would film the process of me kind of like decorating and unpacking my wardrobe. I don't really feel like this video has any kind of routine or anything to it. I'm not even sure myself what I'm gonna do in the wardrobes yet, if I'm gonna do it a certain way, you know. I really am thinking kind of having all of the coats together, and maybe doing seasonally as well, but I will show you kind of the process and I'll show you better in detail at the end of kind of like how I've done it and stuff. To be honest, my main kind of thing is just getting everything in here and stop living out of boxes, because I've got tons of boxes behind me which I need to unpack and just put everything away so I can just easily access it and I'm not rummaging through boxes anymore. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Not really sure how it's gonna flow, but yeah. So just to show you at the moment what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna put all of my kind of like coats together on one rail, you know, fancy tops and things on another, and then I'm just gonna move them around and see which kind of works best in, you know, the spaces and what flows better. Because in this cupboard here, I've got a built-in drawer set. So I was thinking for in there probably to put jeans and stuff. I really wanted these drawers to be super deep so I could fit loads of jeans in, but I think below I'll probably want to put some hoodies and things which can just easily be like folded away, like loungewear and stuff, which I don't really want on a rail. But this rail up here, I'm thinking maybe to put kind of like dresses and fancy stuff, just so it's out of the way of the rest of the kind of wardrobe, but it's still hung up and, you know, easily accessible. So yeah, that's just sort of what I'm doing. Hopefully I'll have a better idea and be able to show you a bit more in depth as we go through the video. So my plan was to put all of my coats on the brown hangers and then have the rest of my clothes on the kind of like beige ones I bought, but I seem to have run out of brown hangers and I can't remember if I packed any more away or if I left them. So I think what I'm gonna have to do, which is really annoying, for any of the stuff that is like kind of a lightweight jacket, I'm gonna switch over to the beige hangers and then put the heavy coats on the brown hangers, just because I've got a lot of kind of thick winter coats that really need to be on like a more sturdy hanger, and then I think the lighter weight ones will work well with the beige hangers that I've got, which are these ones. So let's hope that works. It's gonna be a long process today, but I really hope I get it all done in one day. I'm gonna give it my all anyway. So that is the coats done. I feel like I could still fit quite a bit more stuff in here, but I'm just gonna see how the rest of the stuff kind of like fits in with the other wardrobes and then take it from there. If I need to move, you know, more stuff down to make more space up here for something else, then I will. But we'll just see how we get on. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out so far. So now in this cupboard, I'm moving on to shirts, because I feel like that's another kind of staple which I would hang up in the wardrobe. And then again, I'm gonna review, see how much space I've got and what it might be good to kind of mix in with. So in this top part, I've just put some t-shirts that I wanted hanging, some kind of nice summer tops, some white denim skirts, and then at the bottom I've got kind of like casual trousers, casual dresses, jumpsuit styles, crop sweatshirts, shirts, and then like denim shirts and like kind of more smart shirts. So that's the first wardrobe. Now I am a few coat hangers short because I have a few more kind of like t-shirts and stuff I want to hang up in there that's in the drawer instead at the minute. But I need to order some more from Amazon, so then as soon as they come, I'm gonna put some more t-shirts and like nice tops up there. So that's the plan for those. And then in this next wardrobe, you all know I absolutely love coats, so these are all of my coats. I've got all my winter coats and all of my kind of like lightweight jackets. Because I live in England, you really do need such a selection of different coats, and I could put these away, but the weather changes so quickly. I know it doesn't really go drastically to like freezing cold weather like that, but I just thought it'd be better to have them all out really. So then in this third kind of wardrobe space, I've got all of my kind of like nice dresses, summer dresses, a white denim jumpsuit, you know, my nice maxi skirts, a couple of like nice kind of dressy skirts, so kind of like dressy clothes up at the top. And then in this drawer, these are kind of a mess at the minute because I've had to put clothes that I would want to hang up, but I don't have the hangers yet. So I've just got some, you know, like casual summer shorts. Mum jeans are in this section, like denim skirts, but again, I want to hang these up when I've got some more hangers. Black jeans are at the bottom because I don't really tend to wear black jeans too often in the summer. But these should be a lot neater once I've got some more hangers. And then at the bottom one, again, this is so messy at the minute because I just need some more hangers, but I've got kind of like summer tops, you know, overflow tops which I need to hang up, a couple of dresses, just casual stuff in there as well. But this will be, again, so much neater once I've got the hangers. But yeah, I'm just so pleased, like I finally got somewhere with it today. I just feel like it's taken so long and I've just had to sort out so much stuff. Yeah, tomorrow this will be full of shoes, hopefully. So it's the next day and I'm gonna start doing my shoes and bags. So yesterday I started at about 12 and I finished about 5, but it was kind of like on and off. So I would say it probably took me about 3.5 hours to do all of the clothes. So I'm really pleased about that and I'm glad that it's a little bit more organized now. So yeah, today I thought I would do the shoes and bags. And again, I'm not really sure like what kind of process and stuff I'm gonna be doing. I feel like it's one of those things where I'll set everything up and then I'll kind of see how kind of practical it is and everything as I go along and use the room, you know, over the next few months. So again, just kind of trying to get everything on the shelves as quickly as possible, but still look nice. everyone. So I feel like the dressing room is pretty much finished. There's still like some extra touches that I'd like to do and, you know, kind of move things around a little bit more, but for now I think that this is perfect, and I'm just gonna kind of see how it goes, see if there's anything that I want to move because maybe it's like tucked away, or I don't know. Just kind of live in it for a month or two and then see if, you know, everything works where it is. So I'm gonna do a little kind of dressing room tour now. So this is where I have displayed all of my shoes. Now I do need some batteries for that light at the top there because I was just, you know, a couple short, which is so annoying, but I'll get some more of those. So I've just put my heels at the top and I decided to face them, you know, with the heels facing, you know, towards me, just because I think the backs of them look nicer. And then this next layer, these are kind of like my glitzy shoes, I suppose. So the shoes that I just thought looked really nice kind of from the front anyway. And then on this next shelf, I've just got all of my like nice fancy flats. Then I go on to my trainers, another row of like kind of boots and trainers. And then right at the bottom, I've just got all of my boots. So starting with the, you know, high knee ones going into kind of ankle boots. Well, first I'll just show you this. So this is the same mirror I've always had. I absolutely love it. This one was from the range, but I don't think they do it anymore because I had a look just to see if they did like a different color, but I'm pretty sure they don't do this exact style anymore, which is such a shame because I absolutely love it. I do wish it was a little bit taller, but I'm not exactly tall myself, so it's not really necessary. So just at the top, I've got my YouTube plaque and then a couple of little things which I just like to keep out, to like personal to me. And then I've got all of my bags on display. And what I've done is I've actually put each bag on these little acrylic sheets. You can get these on eBay. I just put them there because I was a bit worried about displaying my bags on like the black paint of this shelf unit. So just by standing it on something, it just kind of helps, you know, prevent your bags getting stained or anything like that. And then in this bottom cupboard, it's really messy again, but just kind of like overflow shoes. So, you know, a couple of flats, which, yeah, I just want to kind of like throw on. A couple of trainers, like very, very casual trainers. Just kind of overflow, which couldn't fit on the shelf. So then onto this table, everyone always asks about where this table's from. So this was from HomeSense. It was from their Made in India, you know, kind of range. So I don't know if they still do this one, but there's some amazing things in HomeSense and you never know what you're gonna find in there, and that's what I love about it. So then I've just got this swivel chair, which I absolutely love. I love the color of it and I just love the fact that it's, you know, swivels. So then on this shelf, I've just got, you know, my little Topshop straw bag, just all of my bags on display so that when I'm getting ready, I can, you know, really easily choose and see everything that I've got. And then the same in this cupboard. Again, it's just kind of overflow shoes, so just a couple of flats, a pair of boots, stuff that, again, I couldn't fit on the shelves, but, you know, I kind of know what's in there, so they're not gonna be forgotten about. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really hard to film. Looking back, I don't even know if I've got enough clips and stuff to make this into a video, so this might never be seen, I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed it if you do get to see it. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. Hopefully everything's in the right place and stuff, but we'll see as I kind of go along, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in a next video, which will probably be one of my outfits videos again. So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.